Okay folks, here is another cute one. Here are some Nutcracker inspired earrings. Hey there, I'm Amrita from Atria Jewelry and today we're going to make these Nutcracker earrings, so stick around. Materials you will need for each earring in a pair: 3 inches of 20 gauge copper wire. If you have a 3-inch head pin, that works too, otherwise I will show you how to make a simple head pin in this video. 10 mm maroon or red crystal, and if you have a smaller one, that's fine too, 6 or 8 would work as well. A black triangle bead, or in this case I'm using a drop bead, a faceted drop bead. A spacer bead that's studded with white stones. A brass spacer bead flower. A small 4 mm cube glass bead in blue. And then a 6 mm pearlized bead in white. And then a ear wire. Now all of these will be listed in the description down below, but if you have beads in different combinations in these colors, feel free to grab those and let's make this together. Tools you will need: a ruler, a flush cutter, a bent nose or chain nose pliers, needle nose or chain nose pliers, so you need 2 pairs of pliers, and then a round nose or a 6-step bail making plier. I like the 6-step looping pliers because then my loops are more consistent, so this is what I'm going to be using today. To get started, I will show you how to make a simple head pin. You're going to take your 20 gauge copper wire and your needle nose pliers, and you're going to make a small bend at the bottom, and this is going to act as a stopper for the beads, and you're just going to squeeze that together. And that's it. That's your simple head pin. Now all that's left to do is to string the beads on. So I'm going to start with the pants, and then the body of the suit. We're going to put a little bit of bling there before we put on the head. The spacer bead with the studded stones, and then you're going to string on the drop bead upside down so the wider part is on the top. And that's it. That's your Nutcracker inspired earring. Now you can use larger beads and make these ornaments. You could also use this and make them cute little wine glass accents as well. Here I'm going to then use my needle nose pliers to make an angle on the top. This will allow us to wrap the wire about 3 times around itself. So I'm making the loop for the ear wire. And then that's your lollipop loop. And I'm going to press that down and then wrap that 3 times. And then we're going to snip off that wire with our flush end toward the finished piece and tuck that wire in. And then just attach the ear wire, so twist open the loop, slip on the Nutcracker and close that loop. And there we have a beautiful pair of Nutcracker inspired earrings. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Have a beautiful day.